Imagine this. You're stuck in bed, hitting the snooze button again and again, feeling like life is slipping away. That's exactly where Mel Robbins was when she discovered something so simple, yet powerful, it changed everything. It's called the 5-second rule. Mel Robbins, now an international best-selling author, created this rule when her career, finances, and marriage were falling apart. With nothing to lose, she tried something that seemed silly, counting 5 to 4, 3, 2, 1, and moving. That tiny action reshaped her life. And in this video, we're going to break down the key lessons from her book, The 5-Second Rule, lessons that can help you stop procrastinating, beat fear, and start living the life you want. Lesson 1. Small actions change everything. The 5-second rule isn't about giant leaps. It's about small choices you make every day. Mel discovered that when you count backwards, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you interrupt excuses and push yourself to act. Whether it's getting out of bed, speaking up in a meeting, or sending that message you've been avoiding, this tool helps you move before your brain talks you out of it. Success doesn't come from one huge decision. It comes from hundreds of tiny moments of courage. Lesson 2. Everyday courage is within you. Courage isn't something only heroes have. It's something you practice daily. Rosa Parks didn't plan to change history, but in one courageous moment, she did. The same goes for us. Asking for a raise, saying no to something unhealthy, or standing up for ourselves. Fear will always show up, but when you count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and act, you unlock a hidden strength you didn't know you had. Lesson 3. Don't wait to feel ready. Here's the truth. You'll never feel completely ready. We don't act because we don't know what to do. We freeze because of fear and self-doubt. That's why the 5-second rule works. It bypasses feelings and pushes you straight into action. Each time you act before you feel ready, you train your muscle of determination and gain confidence. It's like a daily workout for your willpower. Lesson 4. Beat procrastination and distractions. We all procrastinate, not because we're lazy, but because we're stressed or overwhelmed. The 5-second rule breaks that loop. When you notice yourself avoiding a task, simply count down and start small. You'll trick your brain into action and build momentum. Combine this with habits like planning your top 3 tasks each morning and protecting your focus from distractions, and you'll feel unstoppable. Lesson 5. Stop worrying about what you can't control. Worry steals joy. Most of the things we fear never happen. Instead of spiraling into what-ifs, use the rule to shift your focus. Count down, then think of something you're grateful for or excited about. That simple switch changes anxiety into energy. Fear will always be there, but it doesn't have to control you. Lesson 6. Confidence grows from action. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Every time you act with courage, you prove to yourself that you can trust yourself. Speak up in relationships, pursue your passions, and explore new opportunities. The more you act, the more confident you'll become. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just do it. The 5-second rule is simple but powerful. Count backward, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. That one habit can change your health, your work, your relationships, and your future. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You already have everything you need. You just need to start. So, the next time you catch yourself hesitating, remember, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. If this summary inspired you, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more book summaries,